Hello. So they replaced the strands. I do it the night before, and I guess around 8 a.m. Eastern time, they changed the strands from the one that was in my video to this new one, related to it being a bit insensitive with what's going on with flooding in Texas right now. I'm not going to get into that, but I do want to do the strands so that I don't miss it. I do wonder if they're going to move the summer camp one to be later in the week, or if it's just gone. Hopefully it's just gone so that we don't, redo that one. But anyway, today's theme is prescriptions plus. So like medication. I see MED, Medicaid. Medic. There's no T. Could it be medicine? If it's medicine, that's not the spanogram. But it feels like medicine or medicine something. Oh, there's migraine here. Wait, is there migraine here? Not really. Okay, I'm going to hold off on locking this in. I want to see if I can get the spanogram first. But perch is a word, but I don't know what that's to do with prescriptions. Is it straightforward like this? I mean, medicine's right here. What goes around medicine? Matyase. Mattiase. That's not anything. Okay, I need to find okay, we've got beauty. So medicine, beauty. Is this like sections at a drugstore? Like at a CVS or a Walgreens, something like that? So you've got your beauty section, you've got your medicine section, you got your pharmacy. Oh, maybe it's stuff in a pharmacy, or maybe pharmaceuticals. So pharmacy. Maybe is pharmacy a section or is it the spanogram? Pharmacy aisle. There we go. Oh, wait, there's two ways to do pharmacy aisle, so it has to be pharmacy aisles. Nope. Did I spell something wrong? Probably. Pharmacy. That's how you spell pharmacy. I don't know what I did wrong for. And then aisle. Oh no, sorry, I need the S here for aisle. Whoops. Yeah, this is the only way to do it then. Okay, pharmacy aisle. Okay. So let's do medicine first, because that's what I saw first. And then we can do beauty. Beauty. All right. Beautiful. That's always how I remember how to spell it. Thank you, Jim Carrey. What is this? What are these two H's doing? Maybe it starts with H. Hell yeah, health. There we go. Starts and ends with H. There's two more. So what do we find in the pharmacy aisle? Smat. I love buying Smat at the pharmacy. I gotta think. Okay, medicine, health, beauty. Very generic categories here. What else is in the pharmacy aisle? Like vitamins? Yeah. Vitamins. It's Vitamina Vegemin. Let's see. Grocery. Grocery in the pharmacy aisle? Maybe it's aisles at the pharmacy. It's maybe more like, it's originally what I thought. Yeah, so by pharmacy, they don't mean like the pharmacy section of a store. They mean literally the whole store, like a CVS or Walgreens. And then these are the aisles. Okay. Makes sense. Well, that was a strands for sure. I got my ranks perfect on it. Cool. Well, if you enjoyed this, why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.